Now, if you're stuck and you want to use the desert map here to return to the Sandstorm at the Halani gates, well, this one is really easy, but there is a specific item that you need to have in order for you to proceed. So, first things first is you want to go to your caravan here, and you want to go ahead and access your desert map. Let's go to our desert map here. And what we need to do is you want to go and just click on this one, and you want to go to the location for this map here, which is the Trader's Passage. So go ahead and click on it so that your caravan should travel to it. And once the caravan stops here, you'll notice that it should have some sandstorm still in here. But you'll notice in this area, there's going to be something glowing at the front. So what we are looking for is going to be a very specific item. So here is the Horn of Vastity. So usually you'll get this along Act 2. So along the quest line, you should be able to obtain this. So if I'm not mistaken, Zarka will be the one that should be giving you this item. So make sure to claim that in Act 2. But once you have this item, you just need to go to the previous location that I've pointed it out. Just use it at the front and you should be good. And that's about it. So, hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.